What's up, Nail Geeks, and welcome to my Cheers to 7,000 subscribers video. I initially planned this video to go live very early December, but just, I guess, life, December, what even was that? It is what it is, but I'm here, and I think it makes even more sense on like a good vibes type thing, level, I guess, for lack of better words, to have this at the very beginning of the year, and launching it as one of the first couple of videos I'm doing for 2025. I am so freaking grateful to all of you. This little collaboration that you're about to see there's so much love involved in this. I'm getting ahead of myself, but I just want to say thank you all very much. You have, I don't know. You guys are just so great, and everyone is always so sweet and wonderful. Sometimes some of you just email me to say hi and that you enjoyed the content and stuff, and I'm just so blown away by this little tiny little corner of the internet that we have. So thank you all so much. I'm just blown away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch some polishes here in just a moment, and I just so geeked. I don't even know how to present this to you all properly, but I'm so very pleased to reveal the maker that agreed to do my 7,000 subscriber custom, which turned into customs. Yes, there's an S there. I'm so grateful, so geeked, and just huge shout out to Lurid Lacquer for doing this for me. Thank you, Karen, so very much. I'm just speechless. The customs, this lighting does not do them justice. They are so ridiculously beautiful. I can't believe it. They're so gorgeous. So I got to work with Karen on these two customs, and we have a pink, because pink is my jam too. And then we've got a blue to go along because it's freaking blue nail polish. Two of my top favorite colors in nail polish. And there's super shimmer in here. There's reflective glitter, so it's sparkly. And this is like a unicorn farted in both bottles. And it's great. I love it so much. So you all are going to see these two swatched. And as a bonus for just, it just happened this way. The eyeshadow that I'm wearing right now. I usually every once in a while get somebody asking me like, hey, I'd love to see you do makeup tutorials, things like that. Unfortunately, I don't think my lighting or my setup is good enough for that. And it's already bad enough that if the light is, if the sun is, I said the light, if the sun is not up and I'm off schedule, which I am, hello, I'm recording at night. That, my lighting is just trash already. So outside of the nail part I got down, but like everything else, it's anyways. So I wanted to do a tutorial on like what my eyeshadow is. I don't know if you can see, it's this beautiful multi-chrome. All that to say, I mean, because I'm not trying to sit here and talk about myself. All that to say, I will be giving away the eyeshadow palette that is currently on my face right now. This is the Paleo palette. I'm a doofus, and I left my personal one in my bathroom when I was getting ready for video recording, but this is Cleonod Cosmetics Paleo palette. I'm not going to open it up because this is going to be yours when you win it, but the Paleo palette is amazing. I will have a closer up version, but that's what you're seeing on my eyes right now, and I will be giving away one of these. With that said, let's check out the swatches from my two customs with Lurid Lacquer for my giveaway. I'm so geeked. These are beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. Ignore the bottom. These are the prototype bottles. You will have the official named ones, which I'm going to reveal to you here in just a moment. So without further ado, let's check out my customs swatched. And the first part of the duo is the Polished Mage Made Me Do It. Both of the polishes in my duo were named by Karen, actually, and I'm very honored to have this one and then the other one, as you'll see here in just a moment. The first one here is a Barbie-based pink with lots and lots of shifty Aurora shimmer and reflective glitters in silver. I asked for a Barbie pink as it's one of my favorite types of colors. I'm very picky on pink, and I described it to her. I gave her photo inspirations and things, and she just nailed it. This is an incredibly flattering type of hot pink, as I call it. And it looks a touch like it's leaning a bit raspberry in the video here, but in person, this is Barbie pink. It is so very glorious. Medium to deep skin tones. Like, this is going to pop so good on you too. I'm going to suggest 3 light coats if you're a winner, and a glitter smoothing top coat and a glossy top coat. It's shimmery good, ridiculously flattering. It does topper really well over dark colors, and it is so very intensely sparkly in person. This is literally my perfect pink. And then the next one is 7000 Nail Geeks. This is a medium type of blue base with loads of Aurora shimmer again and silver light reflective glitter. I am so in love with this one too. I'm telling you, like, this is the blue of my dreams, and the pink is the pink of my dreams, and they're glorious. Same thing for 7000 Nail Geeks as the pink, in that I think building it up to 3 light coats is perfect. Use a glitter smoothing top coat and a glossy top coat across the board. This one has a touch more of that almost jelly sandal type of look to it, and it just allows that shimmer to shine through so ridiculously well, while that beautiful, perfect blue base pops through, and it's not overshadowed really by anything else. I think they all complement each other very well, each of the pigment components. And of course, this one also toppers really well over black too. Respectively, I think both of them will do well over dark colors and or matchy match if that's your preference. But personally, you know the drill at this point. Super sparkly colors, blingy type colors, I will say, do not topper them. You're just not doing them justice. So my duo is going to be given away to 7 of you. Yes, a 7 duos that I have to give away. You can all thank Karen for that. She graciously wanted to do a duo for every 1,000 of my subscribers. And Karen, you're the bomb. You're the badass. You're just a peach of a human. I love you so much. So I have 7 of these, and then one random winner is going to also have a palette included in their giveaway. Polishes from yours truly. Your bottles will of course have the official names on them and all that fun stuff. But I'm very geeked and thankful so much. So how are you going to enter? You're going to leave a comment on this video. Say thank you to Karen for doing this if you want. Let me know what you think of the customs. Again, my only rule, I guess, on my giveaway stuff, very similar to my PPU videos. Keep it positive. Be kind to one another. That's the print I'd like to leave on this channel, is just kindness, positivity, uplifting one another, empowerment, that kinds of things. So that almost sounds like a MLM, but it's not. Just be kind. That's all I'm going to ask. I will be choosing 7 of you randomly through random, the commentpicker.org. I always want to say random.org. It is comment picker. I will be using their YouTube comment, where I just pop in the URL for this video, and it chooses 7 of you randomly. And again, of those 7, I will choose a random person from that list to get the eyeshadow palette too. If for some reason you really don't want to say you don't wear makeup or anything, no issues there. If you are one of the winners, let me know if you just want to not be included in the draw of the 7 for the eyeshadow palette. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You're thinking, Trisha, there are 2 Lurid Lacquers. There's a duo here that is magical and stunning, and we freaking love it. Is this going to be exclusive to your video? Are these one-off pours, essentially? And the answer that I have to that is maybe. You never know. Maybe in your comments, leave a note that you'd like Karen to make these available for everyone. We kind of sort of discussed it. It's a little up in the air. If they do get released as a duo, we will have proceeds, some of the proceeds of sales for these going to Planned Parenthood, because that is reproductive health and rights is something very near and dear to Karen and my just what's important to us as people. So that's kind of an idea we've thrown around a little bit there. But if you are wanting it officially, you'll definitely just let her know. Let her know, because I have a sneaking suspicion she'll be maybe lurking around this video. So show her some love in the comment section. It counts as a giveaway entry anyway. Show her that love and let her know if y'all want these to be made available to everybody else. They're beautiful. Thank you, Karen, so much. I couldn't have made it better myself. These are so beautiful. I am launching this video on Sunday, January 5th. I'm going to have the giveaway going until, let me pull up my calendar here. I'm going to have it going for 1 week. I want everyone on this channel to have ample amount of time to be able to join and enter and all that good stuff. So it's January 5th. I'm going to have it going until January 12th. January 12th, I will reply to winners' comments, and I'll also have a pinned comment at, let's say, 4 p.m. Central Time. 4 p.m. Central Time, I will have a pinned comment on this video in the comment section announcing the 7 winners of the giveaway. All you'll have to do is email me so that I can get your address and ship these out to you. And again, let me know if you want to be eligible or one of the possible winners for the palette as well. So thank you all so very much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for tuning in. And here's to an amazing 2025 and, getting to 8K next. And as always, if you loved it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.